Hey there, beauties. Want to get glowing skin without breaking the bank? You're in luck. We've rounded up the best homemade face packs for glowing skin, all using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So, let's dive into these amazing, easy-to-make recipes. 1. Besan Face Pack for glowing skin. Our first face pack uses Besan, or gram flour, which has natural skin lightening and brightening properties. It's perfect for oily and combination skin types as it helps balance sebum levels, treat acne, and even out your skin tone. What you need: Besan gram flour. How to apply: take 1 teaspoon of Besan and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix them well into a smooth paste. Apply it evenly to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash off the face pack with cool water. Repeat once a week for glowing results. 2. Multani Mitti Face Pack for glowing skin. Next up is the Multani Mitti Face Pack, great for oily and acne-prone skin. It helps control oil, fades blemishes, and leaves your skin looking bright and refreshed. What you need: Multani Mitti Rose Water. How to apply: take 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti. Add a few drops of rose water to make a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes. Use water and your fingertips in small circular motions to remove the face pack. Rinse off with cool water and pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. Before we dive into some glowing skin, I want to share a product that can support your skin at home 100 times. It's called Hydrogen Water with Lumi Plus. Discover the power of hydrogen water with Lumi Plus. Endless benefits for energy and health. Easy to use, just fill, press, and drink. Safe for everyone, from athletes to beauty lovers. Try Lumi Plus today. Get your free hydrogen ebook worth $27. Order now and enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check the description link to learn more and buy now for skin. Now coming back to the topic. 3. Coffee Face Pack for glowing skin. Coffee is fantastic for fighting skin dullness and uneven texture. This face pack will exfoliate your skin and leave you with a radiant glow. What you need: coffee grounds, coffee powder, raw milk. How to apply: mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 2 tbsp of raw milk. Apply the mask in small circular motions using your fingertips. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a moist cotton pad to wipe off the face pack. Rinse your face with cool water. Repeat 1 to 2 times a week for glowing skin. 4. Honey Face Pack for glowing skin. Honey is a natural humectant that hydrates and soothes your skin. This face pack improves blood flow, accelerates cell regeneration, and evens out skin tone. What you need: pure honey, turmeric powder, lemon juice. How to apply: mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a small bowl. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to the mixture and form a smooth paste. Apply this face pack in a thick layer. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water. Use this face pack 2 times a week for glowing skin. 5. Banana Face Pack for glowing skin. Bananas are rich in skin-loving minerals and vitamins. This face pack helps boost collagen levels and gives you smooth, supple, and glowing skin. What you need: banana honey raw milk. How to apply: mash 3 to 4 pieces of banana in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 spoon of raw milk. Mix all 3 ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply the face pack and let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat once a week for best result. And there you have it. These homemade face packs are simple, natural, and super effective. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more beauty tips.